You guys are welcome again to another video this weekend. So basically last weekend I uploaded the video where I said you should keep looking for sales in Bitcoin till we get to 74,000. And at the time of making that video, I think we were somewhere around the 100k-ish part. Well, now we are trading at 94,000. So most likely this new week, because this last week candle, Bitcoin runs on a 7-day period, unlike Forex. So last week candle is going to close in 30 minutes. And the new week, we might see the new week probably rally up to 101,000, more likely. And then we can keep dropping from there. But regardless, $74,000 per coin. So the $4,500 per coin should be where you should have your eyes on. So no buying, just keep selling until this price. So I believe when we go below 74,000, we will then expect another rally. And that could probably come in 2026. Probably the second quarter of 2026. So my goal in this channel is just to give you a direction for most of the asset classes we trade. Bitcoin is just one of many things that people trade. So whatever concept you are trading, you can apply it in that direction, because the most important aspect of trading is knowing the direction. Then how you get in now depends on your trading system. So my goal is to point you a direction and hope you trade in line with it. So that's for Bitcoin. We're coming down here to 74,000. So it's coming gradually. Surely it will get there. And I also showed us Ethereum. I showed us that of Ethereum. And for Ethereum, I mentioned that we're also gliding to 2,000. That's the first point. In a worst case scenario, we could get down here to 800. But for this, 2,000 is sure. We'll get to 2,000. The buys will come below, somewhere below 2,000, right? Between 2,000, 1,008, we could expect a buy. And of course, this moves in tandem with Bitcoin. So once Bitcoin is revving up for an expansion, you should also expect an expansion on Ethereum. And for Bitcoin, in the last video I did, I told you already, in the next expansion cycle of Bitcoin, we can as well push as high as $340,000. So for Ethereum, finally we'll trade above 5,000. So we also looked at Solana. And for Solana, mentioned clearly in the first video that we are headed for $95 per coin. We're just almost there now. Let me see from here. Okay, so we are like about $41 thereabouts to get to 95. So that's a very good job that can make you a lot of money if you know how to execute. So from the time I gave those calls, this was an entry area right here. Depending on your strategy, you have gotten in an entry here on Solana. The same thing with Bitcoin. It's more like almost the same chart information. So an entry around that area. Then Ethereum as well presented the same thing. Yeah, Ethereum presented the same thing. An entry around this area. So which means you could keep being straight, right? So just keep looking for sales. And then the last one was gold. At the time I made that video, gold was trading. At the time I made the video, gold was trading around 4,000. Yeah, and I told you also that gold is going to go to 4,500. Yeah, it could potentially get to 4,500. So this was the last time. Yeah, it could do 4,500. And the move is on already, right? The move is on. I don't literally expect anyone to be selling gold. So just look for buys. And this is another good retracement to get in on buys. So look for buys from here around this area where it is to 4,380. So TP or above it. So that's all for this week. And thank you for tuning me and watching the video. So if you have some specific bets that you would want me to look at for you, you can drop it in the comment section. I will check, and then by next weekend, I will include it in my video. And also, you can find the link to my Telegram channel on my channel description. You are free to join. So I wish you all a profitable trading week. And don't forget, the trend is your friend. Always trade in the direction of the trend. And your trading will be much more better. So see you on the other side of profitability. God bless you.